Yo, so doing this Goggins challenge. It's unofficial though because tonight it's Thursday, or it's actually midnight on Friday now, March 5th. Starting early because I still want to have Sunday to mellow out. Second run coming up. Tired. Gonna have to figure out the sleeping situation. Let's get it. Heyo, welcome back. Today we're talking about the Goggins 4x4x48 challenge. So what is it? The challenge is run 4 miles or do 60 minutes of some kind of physical activity. If running isn't your thing, you can walk for an hour or maybe go for a bike ride. And so you're doing that every 4 hours for 48 hours. Now in my mind, I felt it was doable because I can run a 10K comfortably. So I'm thinking 4 miles, no problem. Maybe I can even kind of cheat the system because I can run 4 miles in under 40 minutes. So then I got 20 extra minutes for whatever else, cleanup, eating, whatever. The only flaw in this plan was not accounting for sleep deprivation. My plan was to be more active during daylight hours. So after the run and cleaning up, refueling, knock out some work or do whatever other kind of choring that had to be done. And then when it was nighttime, no sunlight, I would be catching up on sleep, or at least that was the general idea for it. And then as far as food, I'd be eating regular food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and other snacks as my body needed more energy. Now for the results. I quickly learned 4 hours is not a lot of time. Now in order to save time, I did create this little running nest here in the garage so that I could hang up clothes and then also just knock out for a quick power nap. I took some footage with the GoPro. I apparently deleted it, so I kind of recreated it here. Let's take a look. Yeah, so basically I would hang up clothes on the fan. Now I had this garage set up mainly to at a courtesy for Dana, so I'm not waking her up in the wee hours of the night while I'm transitioning and doing what I gotta do to refuel or all that. Further into the challenge, my mile time started to decline, so I was missing out on that bonus time I was so stoked about early on. I also discovered running at night sucks. Now, it was sort of nice because there are less cars on the road. It was quiet, kind of serene. So for that, it was nice. But on the other side, it's dark, it's cold. And I did have a couple close calls with cars. Despite having a headlamp, I wore the brightest shirts I have. I started a day early on Thursday night where that was pretty mellow, but on Friday night, I feel like there were more people on the streets, and all in all, night runs, kind of sketch, and I was thankful to be done with those on that last day. Fuel. So for fuel, I was eating mostly normal foods, kind of a lot of stuff you see me cooking on the channel. Down that final stretch, I was finding I was still low on energy despite eating more foods. I didn't want to eat heavy foods when I've got to run. I was leaning more on like race foods like Cliff Bars, the gel blocks, and some of those goos I had left over from some races last year. Thankful those last a long time, as good or bad as that is. But I will say those definitely kept me going and gave me the extra push when I was dragging on the last couple runs during the challenge. Takeaways. So what's the point? One of my takeaways is that I need to stretch more. Towards the end, I was feeling fatigue in my hip flexors, which is something I felt towards the end of even some of the marathons I've run. And this was just more of a reminder that, hey, I should be paying more attention to that and stretching more to hopefully get that in a better place. And while I've been feeling good about the miles I've been putting in, I think complementing that with more stretching will help me in the long run. Shifting gears from running, something else that's been on my mind has been backpacking. I was just thinking about, we got the summer around the corner, and if that's what I want to be doing, I should be training for that. I've been incorporating these treadmill walks with full incline, and then I'll carry a 40 to 50 pound backpack while I'm doing that, and I'll do that for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. The goal here is to build some leg muscle, get more familiar with packing my backpack with what I need and maybe what I don't need. I'll be looking for some backpacking trip inspiration for the summer, so let me know if you've got any backpacking trips or challenges that you're looking forward to. And that's it. Quick update. onward and upward. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.